Welcome back, kids. Now we are going to start the next video with one activity. This is also one puzzle for you. Here you could see, right? Here you could see one picture, right? For this, the value is 9. From that, they are just taken this alone. For that, the value is 1. Then you have to identify the value for this. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to identify. After that, I will just continue with the answers. Shall I start? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you want, you can pause the video and you can think of it, okay? So, what is the answer for this is, it is 4. The answer for this is a 4. Shall I say how it is? See here the joints or else the intersection over here, right? How many corners are there like that? That means the joints. 1, 2, 3, and here 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, and 9. So totally 9 joints are there. So the value for this is 9. Here if you could see only one joint is there, right? So the value for this is 1. Now look at over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 different joints are there, right? So the value for this is F4. It's very easy to identify, right? Like that, the coming series lessons or mean the coming series exercise will also be an easiest one. Shall we start with that? Yes. So now look at this. Give the next two for each of the following dimension. So you have to identify a difference between these two and whether that particular difference is continuing with the next terms or not. After identifying that, we can give the answer for these two values. Okay. See, look at for this 995, right? Then 890. 995 and 890. If I am subtracting this, what is the value I will get? What is the value I will get? If I am adding or else if I am adding 100 with this value, if I am if I am adding 100 with this, then it will be 890 plus 100, 990 will come, right? But 5 is extra is here, so on 105 if I am adding this value I will get, right? Likewise, if I am subtracting 105 from 890, then I will get 785, right? So here each and every value is getting subtracted by 105. If you could check 785 minus 680, the value is 105, right? Likewise with the difference between these two values is 105. If you check with the all the values, it will be 105. So what I have to do is 470 minus 105 I am giving, what will be coming? It is 365, right? So that value I will write it in the next box over here. In this I will write 365. If I am subtracting again one more 105 over here, then I will get 260. So that 260 I will write it over here. It's very easy, right? So first I have to identify what is the difference between those values, and I have to follow the same pattern to identify the next two values. Okay. Look at the second question. 1102 is there. 1203 is here. That means 101 is getting added, right? If I am adding 101, I will get this. If I am adding 101, I will get 1304. Again, one more 101 is if I am adding means 1405 is coming. So 1607 is here. So the next value will be 1708 and 1809. Correct? So that value you have to write it over here. Now here the same pattern only, but three values you have to write. That's it. See, 1,001, 2,002, 3,003, 4,004, 5,005. That means in the thousand value and in the ones place, in the thousands place and in ones place, one is getting added, right? For each of the everything. That means the difference between these two. If I am checking that the same thing is coming, right? So after this, I can add or else I can write the pattern as 6006, 7007, 8008, right? So that I can write it here. It's clear or not? It's very clear, right? So the next one, 4009, 4108 is here. That means 9 was here. With this 9, if I am adding 99, then I will get 4108, right? Likewise, if I am adding 99, I will get the next value. So to find out the next three values, I have to add 99 with the 4445. What is the value? 4445, right? So 4445 with this, sorry, 40405, right? With this, if I am adding 99, then the next value will be 4504. So likewise, I have to add 99 to identify the next value over here. Is it clear? So now come back for this, fill in the blanks. 2112 is there. 3223 was here. So if you could watch this carefully, 2 is here. The first letter is in the sequence 2, 3, 4, 5. So absolutely here 6 and 7 should come, and 8 and 9 is there already, right? Now check out for the next code, next two letters 11, 22, 33, 44. So absolutely it will come 55, 66 only here, right? Then come back for this 2, 3, 4, 5. So again 6 and 7 will come. So the first and last letter was same. So I have to repeat that sequence only, and in between numbers was same but in a different manner, right? So 2, 1, 1, 2 is given. Likewise 5, 4, 4, 5 is here. So if I am adding 6 and 6 over here, in between 55 will come, right? So the value is 6, 5, 5, 6. So the pattern is first and last value is same and continuing in the next sequence, and in between numbers also same, but it's coming, or else it's starting from the 11, so it's coming as a 22, 34, 44, 55. Next 66 it should come, and 7667 should come. It's clear. Next pattern is very easiest one. 2500 is there. They are just adding 500 with it. 3000, 3500. So here 4000, 4500, 5000, 5500 will come. It's very easy, right? So the thing is for 5500. That means 500 value is getting added with that. So if I am following this pattern, it is similar to this. Correct? So I'm just going to add and 1999 with that. That means 99 with this I have to add, right? To identify the next values of it. This pattern is very easy, right? To check out. Shall we go for the next one? So now we are moving for the next one. The remaining three you can complete by your own kids. Now this is the set with the letters and numbers that we will call as the alphanumeric series. This is also very easiest one, but in this you have to check the sequence for, or else the series for letters also and numbers also. Before we have done, right, letters separately, numbers separately. Here we are going to do all together. That's it. See, check out the first one. P11 is given. P Q R S. The letter sequence is P Q R S. So after S T should come, right? And it is in the first letter. That means in the first place. So T should be coming over here. I have to mark T T. So two T is in the front. So within these B and C only the answer will be, right. So next I have to check out for the number sequence. Here 11 is there and 13, 15, 17 is there. The difference between these two is 2, 2, 2, right? So if I'm adding 2 with this, I will get this. If I'm adding 2 with the 13, I will get 15. If I'm adding 2 with the 15, I will get 17. So again here I have to add plus 2, so I will get 19. So the answer is T19. Is it clear? Come back for the next one. It is very easiest one. The first look at the letter series A, B, C, D is there. So absolutely next one will be E, but only one E is there. So with this itself I can identify E55 is the answer. But I have to check out for the number sequence also. If I am checking the number sequence, 99 is there. So 99, right? So after that it's coming as a 88. That means 11 is getting subtracted, right? So after 88, 77, 66 is coming. So after 66, 55 it should come, right? So after D it should be E. So answer is E55. The sequence will be coming like this. The next pair will be like that. Okay. So now come back here for the third question. In this, AB is given, C is not there, DE, F is not there, GH, I is not there, JK. So after JK, L will come, right? So I have to skip that L and I have to write MN, and I have to 2 MN is there, right? MN5 is also there, MN7 is also there. So with this itself, we can out of 4 options, I can reduce it to 2. In that 2, I can select the answer. Correct. So MN only will come. So but 2 MN is there. So I have to check out for the number series. So if I'm checking the number series, it's coming in the reverse order, 9, 8, 7, 6. So 5 should come as the next one. So M and 5 is here. So this will be the answer for the third one. Correct. So I'm just circling it. Likewise, you have to check out for the numbers first, or else with the letters first, which is convenient for you. After that, you can continue with the next one. See, in this, I'm just going to say in a reverse order. First, I'm just going to check for the number, because in this number only very small, right? So I can easily identify the difference. That thing is 1, 3, 5, 7. That means the odd number alone was mentioned over here, right? So after 7, 9 will come. So and that too, 9 should be in the last position. That means the third place, right? So here 9 is here in the third place and here in the third place. So two thing is there. ET9 is there, TE9 is there. So within these two only, any one will be the answer, right? So I found out, or that means I reduced the options from 4 to 2. Now I have to identify with the letter series. Okay. Now look at here. P, Q, R, S is there. Likewise, A, B, C, D is there. So after S, what will come? T, correct. After D, E. So T, E, and then number series is getting increased with the odd number 2, right? So what will come? TE9. So where is it? TE9? It is an last option, right? So I have to circle this. So this will be the answer for the last one. Is it clear? Likewise, here also AB05. Here AB is here. So again it is starting with a B. So BC, CD, DE. So again it has to start with EF. Okay, EF is here and here. So these two options A and C may come as an answer, right? But I have to check out for numbers also once. For the numbers it is 5, 10, 15, 20. So after EF, 25 should come. That will be the answer. So EF 25 will be the answer for this. Is it clear? Likewise, we have to complete for the next one also, kids. So we are just coming back for the last number series, alphanumeric series in this session. It is also very easiest one. Check out this. A10, B20 is there, right? So A, B, C, D is there. After F, G and H will come over here. After 60, 70 and 80 will come. So this I can identify very easily, right? Likewise here also in the reverse order it's coming. 99, 88, 77 it's coming like. So after 44, 33 should come, and here 22 should come. Correct? So after U, V, W, X, Y, Z like that it's coming, right? So U, before U what will be there? That I have to write it over here. So T and S, 33, 22. So number series and with the letter series. That I have to check out. Check out over here. Here it is very easy only. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J is there. So J, K, L, M, N, O will come over here. But it's reducing 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So again it has to come 4, 3, 2. So the answer will be K, L, M, N, O, P, 2. Is it clear? Likewise, you have to complete for all the other things also. Now I'm just going to say for this A. After A they just skipped B and C is here. D is not there, E is here. So G is here. So I have to skip H over here. So after H I will come. So I, and increasing by 1 value in the numbers, right? So after 56, 57 should come. So I 57. Again J I have to skip. K 58 should come. Is it clear? Likewise in the next one, Z, Y, X, W, then here it has to come V, right? So V should come and increasing by one number value. So V95 should come over here. Likewise, T after T, S, that means the reverse order. S98 should come over here. Is it clear? So thank you, kids.